Here we're referring back to the combustion of propane gas, or where it reacts with oxygen to produce water vapor and carbon dioxide. So we know propane gas is going to be a reactant. Oxygen is also a reactant. It's going to produce water vapor as a product and carbon dioxide gas as a product. Okay, so we've got C3H8 reacting with O2 as a gas. That's a gas too. Alright, I know oxygen is just an element and it's one of the diatomics. Okay. Those will produce water vapor, which means that it's in the gaseous state, and carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Carbon dioxide is a compound. Alright, it is covalent because it deals with two nonmetals, but also you see the Greek prefix on oxide. That tells you again that that can only be covalent because ionic compounds do not use that. So we've got one carbon and two oxygens, carbon dioxide, and it is a gas. Okay, let's write out the elements we have underneath the reaction arrow. So we've got carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. If we count on our reactant side, we have 3 carbons, we have 8 hydrogens, and we have 2 oxygens. On our product side, we have 2 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3 oxygens, and only 1 carbon. Okay, you can kind of pick your battle, which one you would like to start with. I might just kind of in this case work my way down because I know I don't have anything super, like just one element by itself that is not diatomic or whatever. So I'm just going to work my way down and see how it goes. So I've got 3 carbons on my reactant side, only 1 on my products. So let's put a 3 there and see what happens. So now we've got 3 carbons, but now I've got 3, 4, 5, or excuse me, 3 times 2 is 6, 7 oxygen. So I'm still left with an odd number there. Okay. Here I've got 8 and 2. So I know that I can multiply 2 times 4 to equal 8. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 4 coefficient in front of my H2O. That's going to be 4 times 2 hydrogens. It's going to be 8 hydrogens. But now I've got 4 oxygens here plus 6 oxygens here. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So for my carbons are balanced, my hydrogens are balanced, but now I've got 2 oxygens in my reactants and 10 in my products. 2 times 5 would be 10, so I'm going to throw a 5 in front of O2. Oops. And everything is balanced. I got 3 and 3, 8 and 8, 10 and 10. So let's just go back and check. I have 1, 2, 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3 carbons. I've got 8 hydrogens here, and I've got 4 times 2 is 8 hydrogens here. I've got 5 times 2 is 10 oxygens. I've got 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 times 2 is 6. I've got 10 oxygens here. So everything is balanced. I've got 1, 5, 4, and 3. I'm in my lowest whole number ratio. A good giveaway too is that if you know that everything's balanced and you don't have a coefficient besides 1 in front of at least one of your elements or any of your substances, really, elements or compounds, if one of the coefficients is 1, then it should be already in the lowest whole number ratio. So that's good.